Hi, this is Joe Biondo, and today I'm going to show you how to create a transparent image using the Magic Wand tool. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is open up the images for this particular exercise. So from Photoshop, we're going to do open, and we're going to go to exercise, exercise 7. And on exercise 7, we want to open up the first doctor graphic and the hospital illustration. So you could do this a couple ways. You could do it individually, but I like to do, you click on the first one, hold control on your keyboard, click the next one so that they're both selected, and then hit open. Okay, so we want to make sure we're working on the doctor graphic here. And so I use this technique quite a bit, and this is to make this image transparent so that you could put the image of the doctor on any background, um, so that it looks natural. And so what we want to do is we want to get rid of this blue background so that we could place this doctor on any background we want. Um, so the way you do this is, first you can see that you have a background layer, and first thing we need to do is we need to make a duplicate of that background layer. So we'll go right click, duplicate layer, and then you can hit OK. Next, we're going to use the magic wand tool, which is, if you click in here, you might need to left click and hold and select the magic wand tool. Okay, so while you're on the background copy, what you want to do is you want to click anywhere in this blue area. It's solid blue, and you'll see that now you have the selector is all around the doctor and just kind of covering this blue area. Okay, and so the next step is you want to hit delete. Okay, so don't worry, you didn't see anything change yet, but I'm going to show you. So the next step is you want to deselect this. So you can go select, deselect if you want, and that'll deselect. And so the final step is make the background invisible. So you make the background invisible. So now when you, in Photoshop, when you see this checkerboard pattern, that means that the background is transparent. Okay, so um, but the final step, in order to retain this transparent background when you want to use it, whether it's in Photoshop or Storyline or a website, this must be saved as a PNG, a PNG file. Okay, so if you try to save this as a JPEG, it's going to change this background to white. But if you save it as a PNG, the background will be transparent and you can use it in anything that you want. So the way you save it as a PNG is you just go File, Save As, make sure you drop down and go PNG, and then you could save your graphic. Okay, but the other thing, if you didn't even want to save it, you could just automatically start using it. Now I have this doctor image and I want to bring her and put her in front of this hospital illustration that I have. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the move tool, I'm going to left click, and I'm going to drag the doctor onto this image here, let go, and then you could just position her. And there you go. You just made a transparent image using the magic wand tool. I will talk to you in the next lesson.